Hello all. So we are trying to understand what are the different functions that you can use it along with the Tableau's calculated field. In that series, the next type of functions that we are going to explore is basically a rank function. So you know that ranking is something that you would be giving it for a numerical field, right? So when you have a sales with your data and you just wanted to identify who has got the highest scale sales. So instead of seeing that with an amount, if you see it with a rank, then it is going to be very easy for you, right? So with that context only, the rank functions is something that is being used. So nothing much to speak about it, because in fact that's the overall objective of why you will associate any kind of ranking to any measure basically. So let's get inside our Tableau environment to get a idea of what I mean to say as a ranking here. So as I said, what I'm going to do is that let me just put the region wise sales into our visualization. So let me just put the region in my columns, and then I'm just going to put my sales, which is in my rows. Okay. Now what I wanted to do is that I just wanted to give a rank for my sales. Okay. So if I wanted to give a rank for my sales, naturally what I need to do is that I need to create my calculated field. Okay. So in my calculated field, for example, sample one is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a function called as rank of. Rank of is the function that I'm going to use. And I need to specify the expression, and then I have to make use of the whether it is an ascending or a descending, I need to specify it. So let us get here inside our rank and see how it is being used. Okay. So yeah, this is the way you have to make use of it, right? So what I can do is that I will just get inside my calculated field. Then I'm just going to give my sales. Okay, I'm just going to give my sales for rank of this sales. That's what I wanted it. Just I will give it as a sales itself. Let it decide whether it is going to be ascending or descending. It is containing error. It should, all fields must be aggregate or constant. Okay, all right. So it should be sum of sales. Okay, so let me just do it one more time. Rank of, I'll just drag and drop it here. That's better. Okay, so I have created now one ranking, which is my sample one, right? So now what I need to do is I just need to display this. Okay, so you can see here now, as per this, it has actually changed the ranking. Okay, so now this is the whole idea of why you will make use of a ranking function. Okay, in your visualization. And this is the way you will make use of ranking function in your visualization. But other thing what I wanted to speak about a little is that what are the other options that we have in terms of rank. So if you have, you can see here as you type rank, you get a lot of options here. So these are something which is related to your rank functions. So the first one, if you take rank dense as the function, if you take it, so what happens is that, suppose for example, let me clear all this. Okay, suppose for example, what I have is a data like this. Okay, so 5, 25, and then 25, and then I have a 35. This is the data I have. Suppose if I have to assign a rank for this, and if I'm using this regular rank of function with ascending or a descending, if I will say, what it will do is, in case if I have used a descending inside, how does it give me the ranking is that, of course, the 35 will be the first one, right? So this is going to be 4, and 25 is going to be 2. Second also is 25, 2, and then it is going to give a 1. What does it mean is, it is going to, I mean, you're getting the rank as such. What this rank of the descending or the ascending operation does is that it is giving the same rank to the values, to the same values, it is giving the same rank. And if you see the next rank, it has skipped the next rank. Okay, that is the meaning of rank of function. In case if I will use rank dense of function, okay, either ascending or descending, if you specify it, I'm considering it as a descending. If I will specify it, what happens is that the same thing is going to happen, but instead of a 2, I mean, instead of a 4 here, you will get a 3, 2, 2, and 1. You got my point, right? So for the same values, it has given the same rank, but it did not skip the next rank. It has given the next rank for the next value. Okay, so that is the meaning of your rank dense. Suppose if you have a function called as rank unique, and then you will specify if it is a descending or an ascending. So let me give descending is the function itself. So the same value, if you have like, 5, 25, 25, and 35, how it will give the values means 4, 3, 2, and 1. What has happened here is it will not give identical rank to the same values because it is given as a unique. So everything is going to be an unique one. Okay. Then we have a function called as rank modified. Okay, then you can specify whether it is ascending or descending. So if I'm going to give it as a descending here, what happened is that it is going to give me the rank as 4, 3, 3, and 1. Okay, so what has happened is that it is giving an identical rank to the identical values, but the rank value is succeeding number. So instead of like 2, it has given the 3. Okay, that's the meaning of your rank modified. I hope I covered all the functions which we saw in that window. These are the main functions that we actually make use of with the rank. Okay, so with all these examples, we can see that whenever a rank function is going to be applied, it is going to just return the standard competition rank for the current row in the partition. Okay, so it is definitely going to be useful for us and helpful for us when we are trying to use the chart to tell the details about which category or the region the sales at its best. Okay, so with this kind of insights, the business executives also will get an idea on where they have to improve their business. So that's the overall idea of the rank functions in Tableau. That's all I have for this session. Thank you.